Welcome back to another Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida online tour. Today I'm coming from Southeast Cape Coral, and I have this nice started home, okay? It's a frame home. It's 1,740 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and it's very conveniently located in the center of Cape Coral. So it has the water and sewer sets in and paid. So let's go ahead and come in and take a look at it. So you come in, you have this nice porch outside. Okay, so you come in, you have this nice open space here, and to my right, you have the kitchen. Okay, let's start first with the open space. You feed your living room here and your dining room back there. It's a very big space, as you can see. You also have a chimney there. It's a working chimney. You could actually burn wood on that one, as you can see. It's been used. Very rare in Florida, but this house has one. And you also have this nice window over here towards the front of the house. Very spacious in here. Let me walk around so you can see it. Back there you can see the kitchen already. Okay, so what I'm going to do first, let me do the bedrooms over here on the side, and then we'll work ourselves to the other side of the home. Okay, let's do here bedroom number 1. It's a closet right here. Check out the bedroom. The windows, they have been replaced. The closet. Okay, now we're gonna go over to the guest bathroom. The shower looks like has been redone. It's not original. You can see the vanity has also been redone. Now, bedroom number 2. Has a different type of windows. I haven't seen these windows, but they're not original. They have been replaced. And also your closet there. The room's pretty nice size. All their homes, they tend to have bigger sizes as well. Okay. One thing I wanted to tell you is that I'm going to be putting the price of this home on the description below, and below that price I'm going to be putting homes similar to this one. So a list of homes similar to this one, so you could have an idea of the different type of homes at this price range that I'm showing you. Okay. The advantage of this home is that it has the water and sewer. They're in and paid. And it's very centrally located. It's in a place that is very close for you to go over to Fort Myers, because it's very close to veterans, and also close to College Bridge that takes you to Fort Myers. So that's one of the advantages of this home. And as you can see, the kitchen, all the cabinets seems to be replaced. And another nice thing is the sink that has the toilet outside, so you can actually see what's going on in the street while you're washing your dishes. I kind of like that. It's not a boring sink. Over here you got your dishwasher. And now let's go ahead and do the laundry room. This house has a pretty nice sized laundry room. Check this out. And it also has a door that leads outside, so that's good. The laundry room is really nice, big room. So it has a closet here, your water heater. As you can see, the house has been replumbed. Another thing, the roof is new. I think they replaced it last year or this year. So that's a good thing that this house has. And over here, look at the garage. The garage is pretty big. Most of the garage don't have that extension on both sides. So you're getting a pretty nice sized garage because you have those extensions. Sometimes in some of the Cape Coral homes, the older homes, you get in one side, not on both sides, so that's good. And over here you also have a door that leads to the outside, so that's nice to have too. But look, check out all these big walls you have here. Over here's the electrical panel. And now let's go over to the master bedroom. Here's the master. The floor is all laminated, so it looks like it's in pretty good condition. As you can see, these windows are also being replaced. Now, if you need a home to come here and to live, to work here, this is going to be a good starter home. Here's the bathroom. As you can see, it also has been redone. And over here is the closet. Now we're going to go over outside. So you can see the backyard. It has a really nice lanai, and the backyard is really nice too. So let's take a look at it. Check out the size of this lanai out here. Let me stand over here on the side so you can see how big this thing is. Check it out. And now we're gonna go to the backyard. It's all fenced in. So it's a pretty cute home. Well, like I said before, for the price, you could go in the description below. And also I'm gonna be putting similar homes on the bottom of the description, another link, okay? So take a look at that. If you have any questions on the homes you're watching, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. I hope you enjoyed this little video, and I'll see you on the next one.